Good morning, everyone. Hi, how are you? Let me enlarge the screen here so I can actually see myself and what I'm doing. Hi, how are you? It's Anna Walker Designs and stabthingsintoexistence.com. Hi, I'm Anna. Behind me, you see a studio in the process of getting rearranged. I'm doing a tutorial with my friend Gail Nation a little bit later today, who has been doing online classes for a wee bit longer than I have and who has a beautiful setup. And some of the suggestions that she gave me let me know I can't have the computer on that table if I'm doing work at this table and be able to control all three cameras that are on. So when you take a class with me, my computer, my laptop, is what I use as my admin. It's where I'll let people in. It's where hopefully I'll be able to change the views of what's going on. You'll see, let's see if we've got this far enough. I'm looking, there we go. You'll see my face on this, my iPad, and then my camera will be up here taking a view of my hands working on whatever we're working on. So that gives you an idea that I'm not a real good multitasker. I can juggle balls pretty well when it comes to some things, but I haven't quite got my juggling skills up yet for filming video and making it have exactly what I want you to see afterward. Because with classes starting next week, I want to make sure that I can record those classes so that my students, you guys, can see what's going on with my hands or me talking or whatever while we're doing the class, so that as we take that class, I'm recording. And then after the class, I send that recording to you in an email link so you can always refer back to it. So that's my reason for the big juggling. Now, I've realized that there's a bonus for me in this. If I don't have to have my computer at this desk here, it can have my machines right up there on the corner. My felting machine is in the front and my sewing machine is in the back. Those can be ready and able to be plugged in and used. And cool thing is, I discovered that they both use the same power plug-in on both machines. So yay, one less cord in my life. I know you all know exactly what I'm talking about there. But by having my machines up here on the table, I have a small little elevated area down below, and I'm going to be able to clear off some space on top here and get, oh, can you quite see it? There we go. And get that drum carder. Yeah, right there. Get that drum carder on that table back there so that it clears up some space up here. You can see it's a hot mess in here. These are class kits that are ready to be shipped out for anyone that wants a class kit to take my Create a Creature class or my Mini Masterpiece class. All along the wall here, I've got 4 different units that each have 12 pockets that hold a basket of fiber, and it goes almost the entire length of the wall. So my goal is to get some space cleared out up on top of the sorting units so that I can move some things up there and keep them away from keep them from blocking my access to all the fibers. Now, you've seen, my desk, I've got an awful lot of stuff back here. There we go, right back there and down below that needs to be filed. I hate filing, but when I get the bug for it, I just file it all and it doesn't take any time at all. We're almost there. The stack is almost high enough for me to want to do that. But since you've seen this part of the studio really well, I'm going to turn you around and show you this. These units here I got at a vintage shop, and they work perfect for lots of little stuff that I can just slide in and tuck away. I've got cups that I love up on top and tins that I love up on top that are filled with pens and pencils and markers and paint pens. And then what a great thing, sweater sorters, sweater holders, and shoe bags are, because I've got them suspended from the ceiling, no floor space taken, although floor space is taken underneath them with totes that are full of things. But it's getting better. It is getting better. My mother doesn't think so, but it is getting better. And I'm looking forward to hopefully maybe early October, having a little sale in my backyard, and blessing and releasing for really good prices a lot of the crafting and creating supplies that I'm not using, so that I can free up yet more space in here and have the ability to felt whenever I want to, and be able to, bring some things to you guys through the website stabthingsintoexistence.com. So that's a peek inside the studio today. I have a busy week ahead of me. I'm going to be filming this week for the Felted Experience. If you want to know more about the Felted Experience, you need to head over to the website and leave me your email. And that way you'll know when I open up the membership for new members. And we've picked a date, and I'm pretty sure that it is mid-October. So, go over and leave your email. You'll also get weekly blog posts from me that talk about just about anything and everything felting related. Um, I don't spam you no more than once a week. But that's the way that you'll make sure that you get in on the Felted Experience, to sign up and be part of that. It's a membership group that I started last October, and members receive a monthly video tutorial from me that they can reach on teachable.com. And that video tutorial is the main part of their membership, but they also get access to me through a weekly Zoom call, through a private Facebook group on my Anna Walker Designs page. And we touch base with show and tells and encouragement, and it's a wonderful little community, and I'm hoping to grow it a little bit bigger, because I love my Felted Experience members. They're some pretty awesome people, and we've got some fun things planned for the coming months. So I've got a couple of videos to shoot this week and next. I've got my granddaughter coming over because her other grandma is out of town. So I'll be having a little bit of time with my littlest grandchild. And I've got more putting together and organizing of the studio so that I can kick out some products to have on the website. There will be some felted journals coming very soon, and I'm going to create some felted fabric and start making some earrings. Okay, anyone interested in really lightweight, fun earrings to play around with? So yeah, those are some things that are coming soon. So reorganizing the studio so that I can do better recordings of the classes is just step one in a lot of things that are going to be happening over the next several days, weeks, and months. And I hope that you'll join me for all of it. If you've enjoyed being part of my daily lives, let me know. I love to hear from you guys. If you've got questions about felting, post them. Post them right underneath one of the live videos, or post them on Anna Walker Designs page. I'm generally able to get back to folks within 24 hours without a problem at all. And I look forward to continuing to be your felting facilitator. And until I talk to you tomorrow, go stab something into existence. Bye.